Hello everybody, and a quick welcome back to LaytonJunction. This is just a quick sound check. I know that I'm having problems with the audio on some of these videos on the vocal side. People can't hear what I am saying. Some may say that's a good thing, but I beg to differ. So I know one or two have left comments saying that they struggle to hear us. So anyway, I'm posting this up with some new software to the mic to see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then I know that the mic's faulty. But I think it's just a software issue, getting used to it. So again, a quick Merry Christmas to everybody, and I'd be very grateful if you can leave any comments, Dave and Kevin and anybody else, as to whether or not this has actually improved the quality of the video, because it's a shame, because this does rather spoil some of the videos. So anyway, thanks very much for pointing that out to us, much appreciated, and thank you all for your support, and speak to you soon. Bye bye, cheers now.